Ready, and go. While looking at they eating their food, let's look at Eddie eating his me.
No.
And Jonathan
No.
eating his me too. And my fish.
Wait, maybe we should.
Half-eaten fish. Okay, let's back to the contestant. David looks like he's rushing as usual.
John decides to put his lubricant in. Continue.
Oh look, David has no lubricant this time. There's no water. He's just jolly spamming on the noodles.
It looks like Big John still very hot. Yes, going through. Big John tastes very hot. He's using it as a excuse to pull.
Oh look, David looks like he's finishing, but he still left his fishball.
Looks like Big John already finished the fishballs first. That was probably part of his strategy. Big John is about to be finished to look like there's no contest here again.
David is very close this time.
And he finished.
Hey, David, go crazy.
Looks like Big John has won once again in the eating contest. Well done, our winner and the loser.